Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shykoh. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to shop on Jumia. I know right now it's all crazy Black Friday deals, and I'm here to show you how to actually do the shopping from the comfort of your home using your mobile phone. One of you requested me to do this video, so I was like, why not? Why not plug you guys? Considering all the amazing offers that are there right now. So you first want to have the Jumia app installed from Google Play Store, and you're just gonna click on the app and it will take you to the Jumia homepage. If you scroll down, you can basically see some of the items that are on sale, but let's click to on the Black Friday so that you can see the different deals, the different Black Friday deals. You can shop under the Black Friday deals to see maybe you can get something that will excite you at an amazing price, or you can also select flash sales. Flash sales also happen every day at specific times, so you can just open the app and check the different flash sales that are happening at that particular time. So yeah, that's just about it with the flash sales. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see there is home, categories, feed, account, and help. So you're going to click on categories. And when you click on that, you can see the different categories of the items. There's health and beauty, home and office, phones and tablets. So if you want maybe a makeup item, you can go to health and beauty. If you want a phone and tablets. Like, this is just to make your work easier, such that it will be easy to know where a specific thing that you want is based on the different categories. So this is just an amazing, easy way to find different items to shop. Yeah. Let's go back to the home page. I want to show you guys how to shop under the different brands. So yeah, the partner brands. Jumia has collaborated for Black Friday with different brands. There is Xiaomi, Garnier, Befita, Johnny Walker, Hisense, Vision. Yeah, all those brands, Harpic. So for example, the Xiaomi brand, they have really amazing phones, by the way. So you can select to buy specifically under that brand. That way you'll be sure that the item you're buying is from the brand itself. You know, it's not someone out there selling the phone, it's Xiaomi themselves. So you're sure of the quality of the phone. I hope that you guys get what I'm saying. Yeah, so you can shop under brands. So if you want to buy a Nivea item, go to Nivea and see the different offers that they're having. Yeah, that's it with the brands. So for example, this is under Garnier. So these are all the Garnier items that they have. So you can scroll down and see whatever interests you. These are also amazing skincare products, and the prices are very affordable, as you can see. So highly recommend that. You can also search, for example, if there's a specific item you want, you can search that at the top of the screen. So for example, I wanted to search for the Nivea sunscreen. So I searched Nivea sunscreen and it brought me to the health and beauty category. And you just scroll down and you will find whatever you have searched there. So for example, let me click on this Nivea UV Face Shine Control Cream, which is the sunscreen that I want. You can see right now it's going for 550 shillings, down from 840. When you scroll down, you can read more about the product, whatever product you've selected, under description, product description. Yeah. So just click on description. You can read more details about the items. You can also just scroll down and read the product ratings and reviews. Here you're gonna know what people are saying about the product. So this will help you know whether it's a good product or not, because people will most probably give a right, a true experience with the product, because they've already bought it. They can tell you. So if you're not sure about the product, always check for the rating and the reviews. So if you're comfortable with the product, you'll just click on add to cart, which is at the bottom of the screen. And you can see besides that, there's a minus and a plus. Those are for when you want to buy more than one item. You just click on the plus and it will add the number of items. And if you see the top right of my screen, there is a sort of a shopping basket with a number 1 that shows that I have added one item, which is the sunscreen UV face shine control cream. It has gone to my cart, which is like the shopping basket for online shopping. You get it? Yes. So once you're done with that item, you can go back and, you know, if there's something else you want to buy, for example, I also want to get myself a moisturizer. You just scroll down, because I also want a Nivea moisturizer. I will just scroll down, because when I searched Nivea, they brought all the Nivea items available. So let's find the moisturizer that I am looking for. And right now, guys, these offers are just amazing. The prices are so amazing. Yes, I got it. I want to buy this one, going for 383 shillings. Light moisturizer day cream SPF 15 for women. It's 383 down from 510. Guys, don't apply a remis on your face. Don't apply Vaseline on your face when you can get a moisturizer at only 383 shillings. I have no problem with Vaseline and a remis. I just find that these products are very heavy on your face, on your skin, and they are very prone to, you know, blocking your pores. So get yourself a moisturizer. Also, once you're done with that, you can click on add to cart, and it will be added to the right corner shopping basket. That shopping basket, you see now I have 2 items, the sunscreen and this moisturizer. And here you've seen I've added 2 of them by clicking on the plus at the bottom of the screen. So if you want to buy more than 1 item, just click on the plus. If you change your mind and you want to buy 1, click on the minus and it will go back to 1. If you want to go back and shop for other items, you can click the back arrow, and for example, let's search for the Redmi Note 9 Pro, which is the phone that I normally use. I want to plug you guys because it's such an amazing phone. Like, the camera is amazing, and when I was buying it, I bought it at 26,000 shillings, and right now on Jumia it's going for 23,999. That's 24,000 shillings. And trust me guys, if you want to upgrade your phone, definitely get a Redmi phone from the Xiaomi brand. Their phones are amazing, their prices are amazing. So we are back to the homepage. You can see my cart right now. I've opened my cart. I have the items that I have added, which is the sunscreen and the moisturizer. So that's about it. Let's continue with our order. Let's complete our order. So you just click the complete your order. It's actually the highlighted section just below the items. You can see that my subtotal is 933 shillings. Ignore the VAT because that's not an extra price. It's just to show you they've included that in the amount. So once you click checkout, they bring you here where you can add your delivery details. You can either select a pickup station or delivery to your home or office. Pickup station is whereby you go to one of the Jumia stores, pickup stores, and you can take your item from there. It's definitely much cheaper than delivery to your home or office. Delivery to your home, you can see it's 216. When you select to pick your items at their pickup stations, it is 176 shillings at this pickup station that I had selected. You can also change your location. For example, in Nairobi, they have different pickup stations at different places in CBD. So you can scroll down and see a pickup station that is near you, and you can actually choose that, or you can, you know, change a location as well. For example, I am in Nairobi, so I'm gonna pick a location in Nairobi, and under Nairobi you can see there's CBD Ludhuli, there's CBD GPO City Market Nation Center. Once you like scroll down through these different categories, and there is another CBD near KICC, Parliament and Kencom, and that is my most favorable location. So that's the one that I have put in, and you can see my charge for that is 176 shillings once I pick out that as my pickup location. If you do not want to go for your items yourself, you can select delivery to your home or office, which is basically your location, and that is 216 shillings. So yeah, once you're done with choosing that out, you can just proceed to payment, and it's quite a direct process, you guys. Once you select a pickup station, click on proceed to payment, which is at the bottom of the screen. So at the payment, you can either choose to pay now, which you can pay through M-Pesa, or you can choose M-Pesa on delivery, whereby it is when they deliver you the item or when you go to the pickup station, you are gonna pay after receiving your items through M-Pesa. You can also add a voucher code. Right now there are very many influencers on Instagram who have discount codes for Jumia, their voucher codes. You only use the voucher code once and it gives you a 200 shillings discount. Once you're done, you just click on proceed to summary, and here you will get a summary of everything, the subtotal plus the shipping fee, and they'll show you if they've deducted the voucher code if you had a voucher code, and they'll give you the total price. They'll also put for you your delivery details. They'll also put out your delivery details so that you can confirm on that, and once you're done, that's just about it, you guys. Make sure you've also set up an account, register an account. Here at the bottom part you can see account. So here they will ask you to put in your email address and set up a password, and there you'll put all your personal information, your email, your number, your pickup location, and once you do that, you don't have to repeat the process every time of putting in your information. You can also subscribe to Jumia plan, you guys, which is whereby you pay an amount of 499 shillings. For the next 3 months, once you subscribe to Jumia plan, you'll get your deliveries done at no expense. So once you subscribe, free deliveries for the next 3 months. And I also think they give you Streetwise 2 every Wednesday from Jumia Food for free for every Jumia Prime member. I'm not a member, but because I have not yet signed up, I'm considering. But if you are a constant shopper, I would highly advise you subscribe for that. But that's just about it. I hope that you guys, if you didn't know how to shop on Jumia, that you now know. And yeah, all the best. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on your notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. Until the next one, bye.